Yeah, this is Jackie and April burping contest.
Yo.
Alright, April.
Fuck, where's that? Come on.
It was little. April! No, that sucked. Push it out. That sounds like a fucking dog puking. That's sick. Alright.
So we're talking to this kid in MySpace. He's such a horn dog.
Such a creeper.
And he asked what position of sex I like, but I'm a virgin.
But we told him that she wasn't, and she's like, normal position.
We didn't know what else to say because he asked if I liked it up the ass. I was like, no. I don't know.
He commented on my photo that he wanted to open me up on Christmas and cuddle and kiss with me. Creeper.
Creeper!
Oh, fuck.
Me.
Sideways. Woo!
The creeper. Ew. I farted.
I hope you know that I'm gonna fucking put this on Facebook in my.
I don't care. I'm texting.
You have to fucking burp. Screw that. We've only got like a little bit less than a minute left. Let's go down and see the creeper. Do you like? Wait. Do you like giving head? Yup, that's April.
Fuck you, Jackie. That was in 7th grade.
Oops. Turn it the other way.
Shh. Even though a lot of people are gonna see this, be quiet.
With who, April? I like. I mean.
No! We got about like 10 seconds left.
Oh.
So this is me and Jackie. Bye!